Start with next question. Sec square a plus cosec square a is equal to tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 we have to prove. So again we take LHS. Sec square a plus cosec square a, that is your LHS. Left hand side you take, you just change sec square a in 1 plus tan square a. Sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, and cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Sec square a change 1 plus tan square a, and cosec square a change 1 plus cot square a. So that is tan square a plus cot square a, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is your RHS. Next question, 1 by 1 plus cos a plus 1 by 1 minus cos a, and you have to prove 2 cosec square a. So very simple, you take LHS. LHS is equal to 1 by cos a, 1 plus 1 by cos a plus 1 by 1 minus cos a. That is your LHS. Now take LCM. So LCM is 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So here 1 plus cos a cancel. So here you have 1 minus cos a, and 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a cancel to 1 plus cos a. So you have minus cos a and plus cos a cancel. So 2, and this is a plus b and a minus b, so 1 square minus cos square a square minus b square form. So this is 2 by 1 minus cos square a. Therefore it is 2 by 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square a. And 2 into 1, we can say 2 is 2 into 1, and by sin square a. So 1 by sin square a is cosec square a. Hence proved. Next question, cosec a by cosec a minus 1 plus cosec a by cosec a plus 1, and the RHS is 2 sec square a. So that is your LHS. You take LHS and then find LCM. Right here the LHS, then find LCM. The LCM is cosec a minus 1 and cosec a plus 1. So cosec a minus cos cancel, so cosec a plus 1, so cosec a whole, cosec a plus 1, here cosec a plus 1 cosec cancel, so cosec a whole, cosec a minus 1. Okay, so this is your cosec square a, cosec into 1 cosec a, here cosec into cosec, cosec square a, cosec a into minus 1 minus cosec a, by, this is a minus b, a plus b, so you write cosec square a and 1 square, that is 1. This is a minus b and a plus b. So here plus cosec a and minus cosec a cancel. So you have cosec square a plus cosec square a, that is 2 cosec square a by cosec square a minus 1. And cosec square a minus 1 is known as cot square a. Cot square a. So here you can say 2 into cosec square a means what? 1 by sin square a, and cot means cos square a by sin square a. So that means this is 2 by sin square a, and this is main divide, so it become multiply. So here sin square a upward and cos in downward. So sin square a cancel. So that is only 2 by cos square a, that's it. You can say 2 into 1 by cos square a, and 2 into 1 by cos square a is sec square a. So that is 2 sec square a proved. So one more question, sec k by sec k plus 1 plus sec k by sec k minus 1. So this is your LHS. So you take LHS, then you take LCM. So LCM is sec a plus 1 and sec a minus 1. So here sec a minus 1 plus here sec a cancel, so sec a plus 1. Here sec into sec square a minus sec a plus sec into sec square a plus sec a, and here again a plus b and a minus b, so a square minus b square, so we can say sec square a minus 1 square, so 1 square is 1. So here minus sec a and plus sec a cancel, so again you have 2 sec square a by sec square a minus 1. So sec square a minus 1 is what? Sec square a minus 1 is 10 square. So you write 2 sec square a by sec square a minus 1 is 10 square a. Now you change sec square. Sec square is 2 into 1 by cos square a by 10 square a. So that is 2 by cos square a, and this is divide 10 square a. So here I solve 2 by cos square a divide 10 square a means sin square a by cos square a. So here you can say divide, so it is multiply. So 2 by cos square a into cos square a by sin square a, cos square cancel, so 2 by sin square a. So 2 by sin square a, 2 into 1 by sin square a, so that is 2 cosec square a. Proved. So one more question, 1 by cos a, 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a, and you have to prove this one. This time I will take RHS. So RHS 10 square a and by, that means divide sec square sec a minus 1 whole square. 10 square a divide, so I use divide sign. 10 means what? 10 means sin square a by cos square a, and this is divide sec a minus 1. So sec a I change 1 by cos a minus 1. So here sin square a by cos square a divide, here is LCM cos a, so 1 minus cos a and whole square. Again you write sin square a by cos square a divide sin 1 minus cos square a cos a whole square, and this is cos square a, write like this. Clear? Now when it is multiply, it is divide, now it is multiply. So you write sin square a by cos square a, and now it is multiply, so cos square a by 1 minus cos a whole square. So here sin a, cos square a and cos square a cancel. So you have only sin square a by 1 minus cos a whole square. So you have only sin square a by 1 minus cos a whole square. So sin square a we can say 1 minus cos square a, sin square a I write 1 minus cos square a, and here 1 minus cos a whole square. 1 minus cos square means 1 square minus cos square a, 1 square, because 1 square is equal to 1, so this is a square minus b square form. 1 means 1 square, so 1 square you can write. So in this, in place of 1 minus cos square a, we can write 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. because 1 square, 1 means 1 square we can take, so a square minus b square form, and here 1 minus cos a whole square, that means 1 minus cos a 2 times, 1 and 1 more times. So here 1 minus cos a and 1 minus cos a cancel. So you have only this one, 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. That time this is your LHS. So I start with RHS and complete in LHS. One more question, 1 plus sin a by cos a plus cos a by 1 plus sin a, and you have to prove 2 sec a. Again we take LHS. So here your LHS is 1 plus sin a by cos a plus cos a by 1 plus sin a. So next step you take LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM is cos a into 1 plus sin a. So here cos a cancel, so 1 plus sin a whole square, because this 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a whole square, and here 1 plus sin a cancel, so cos into cos square a. Okay, now you have 1 plus sin square a plus cos square a, 1 plus sin square a plus cos square a. This is a plus b whole square form, so you can write 1a square. This is your b square sin square a plus 2 into 1 into sin a, that is 2 sin a. 2 into 1 into sin a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a means 1, so 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus cos square a. And here again you write cos a plus 1 by sin a. Here you write cos a plus 1 by sin a. Now this sin square a plus cos square a, if I combine, so that is 1, that means 1 plus sin square a you write plus cos square a, then you write 2 sin a by cos a 1 plus sin a. So here 1 and sin square plus cos square equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin a by cos a and 1 plus sin a. Clear? Now here 2 plus 2 sin a, 2 plus 2 sin a, we can take 2 as a common. 2 plus 2 sin a, so we can take 2 as a common. So 2, if I take common, so 1 plus sin a is remaining here, and here cos a and 1 plus sin a. This 1 plus sin a, this 1 plus sin a cancelled, so you have only 2 by cos a. So you can say 2 into 1 by cos a. 2 into 1 2. So 1 by cos a is sec a. So it is 2 sec a. That is your RHS. 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a is equal to sec a minus tan a. Similar question like previous question, this is also similar, only the sign change. Here we use sign. Next in my previous question, that is cos a, and 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. Here it is 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a and 1 plus sin a. So again I take LHS. So LHS, no, now we take RHS. RHS sec a minus tan a whole square. Just change sec a. Sec a is 1 by cos a. Sec a is 1 by cos a minus tan a sin a by cos a whole square. I just change sec a, 1 by cos a, and tan a sin a by cos a. So now you have LCM cos a. So here 1 minus sin a, and everything is in whole square. Okay, so 1 minus sin a, we can say 1 minus sin a whole square, and this is cos square a. 1 minus sin a whole square, and cos square a we can say 1 minus sin square a, cos square a we can say 1 plus sin square a, sorry, 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin a whole square and cos square a. In place of cos square a, we can write 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin a whole square means this is 2 times 1 minus sin a in 2 times, and here 1 means 1 square you can take. So again it is a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square is 1 time 1 plus sin a, and again 1 time 1 minus sin a. So here 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a cancel. So you have 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. That is your required LHS here. Next question, cosec a minus 1, cosec a plus 1, and here cos a by 1 plus sin a whole square. Again I will take RHS. Again I take RHS. So cos a whole square you can write cos square a, and 1 plus sin a whole square also. This is 1 plus sin a whole square. We can write like this. Cos a means cos a whole square, so cos square a, and 1 plus sin a, that is 1 plus sin a whole square. So in place of cos square a, we can write 1 minus sin square a is cos square a, and here 1 plus sin a 2 times we can write, but now it is in whole square 1 plus sin a. 1 minus sin square a, that is what, 1 square minus sin square a we can say. So that is a square minus b square form again. So we can say 1 plus sin a and 1 minus sin a, and here 1 plus sin a 2 times, again plus sin a, 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a cancel. So you have 1 minus sin a now by 1 plus sin a, and we have to make cosec a minus 1 and cosec a plus 1. So it's maybe some lengthy in up numerator. 1 minus sin a, we can write 1 by 1 minus 1 by cosec a. Here also 1 plus 1 by cosec a, just change sin a. So in upward there is also a LCM cosec a, so that is cosec a minus 1, here also LCM cosec a. So here cosec a plus 1 will take LCM. So this cosec a and this cosec a cancel. So you have cosec a minus 1, cosec a minus 1 and cosec a plus 1. That is your LHS. Next question, tan square a minus tan square b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b by cos square a into cos square b. This time here you have 10, so I will take LHS. Okay, so when I take LHS, because 10 is given, so always take 10. So tan square a, right, LHS, tan square a minus tan square b. Tan square means sin square a by cos square a, and here you write sin square b by cos square b. So you have LCM cos square a into cos square b. Okay, so here cos square cancel. So you have sin square a into cos square b minus cos square b cancel. So you have sin square b into cos square a. Clear? Only simplification. First you take tan square a minus tan square b, then you change tan square a by cos square a, and tan square b by sin square b by cos square b. Then you take LCM. So you have sin square a cos square b, and again sin square b cos square a. Now you just change this cos square b. Okay, and here cos square a also. Okay, so if you change cos square b, this is sin square a and cos square b means 1 minus sin square b, that is cos square b, and here sin b square b you write, and again cos square you change 1 minus sin square a. So here cos square a into cos square b. Clear? I just change cos square b and cos square a. Cos square b means 1 minus sin square b, and sin square cos square a means 1 minus sin square a. Just I change. So now you multiply sin square a into 1 sin square a, and here sin square a into sin square b, again minus sin square b into 1 sin square b minus sin square a into sin square b, and remaining the denominator similar denominator, same denominator, right? No need to change now. So cos square b. Clear? So I just multiply sin square a into 1 sin square a, sin square into sin square b, sin square a into sin square b, again sin square b, again sin square b, and then sin square b into sin square a. Clear? So here this is in minus, so it's become plus. Clear? Sin square into minus sin square b into 1 minus sin b square, but minus here it is plus. So you can see this is in a minus term and this is in a plus term, so simply it is cancelled. So you have sin square a minus sin square b by denominator cos square a into cos square b. That is your RHS. One more question, sin a minus 2 sin qa by 2 cos qa minus cos a is equal to tan a, you have to prove. So obviously because this is complicated, we take this one. Tan a is complicated also. From if I like tan a, then what I change? So always take this complicated. This one is complicated, but according to my concept, this one is complicated. So leave it. This is a lengthy, so this is complicated to take LHS. So LHS, I write the second step here. Sin a and it has 2 sin qa, so you can easily take sin a as a common. So you have 1 minus 2 sin square a. And here, if you take cos square a as a common, so you have cos a as a common, so you have 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, write LHS first and then take a common sin a from numerator and cos a from denominator. Clear? Now you write sin a 1 minus 2 sin square a, and here cos a, that means sin a and cos a is remaining only, and you have to make this one same, then it is cancelled. So sin a by cos a becomes tan a. That is my target. So this is always remaining sin a by cos a. You have tried to make these two variables are in same, then numerator and denominator cancel. So 1 minus 2 sin square is remaining, and here this cos square I change. See, 2 and cos square means 1 minus sin square a. Just cos square I change, and minus 1. So use this square bracket. Clear? My target is sin a by cos a remaining, always left. Then sin a by cos a is tan a, I know. So that's why I will try to make sin a and cos a as it is and try to cancel these two. So for this I just change 1 minus 2 sin square a same, and here 2 cos square a 2, and cos square a means 1 minus sin square a, and then minus 1. Clear? Now here you write again sin a and 1 minus 2 sin square a by cos a, and now this 2 into 1, what happened? 2. and 2 into minus sine square a, 2 sine square a, and here it is minus 1. I write again sine a, and here 1 minus 2 sine square a, and here cos a. Now 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, and here only 2 sine square a remaining. So I complete my target. 1 minus 2 sine square a, 1 minus 2 is similar, so I cancel. So you have only sine a by cos a, sine a by cos a, that is 10a RHS. Clear? So next question, sine a by 1 plus cos a, and here you have to prove cosec a minus cot a. So take LHS, sine a by 1 plus cos a. Okay, take LHS, sine a by 1 plus cos a. Now we multiply both term by 1 minus cos a, here numerator and here denominator. Multiply both the term by 1 minus cos a. So this is looking like sine a whole 1 minus cos a, and here a plus b and a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. So that is a square minus cos square a. So a square means 1 square, so 1 square means 1. So you have sine a 1 minus cos a, and here 1 minus cos square a is equal to what? 1 minus cos square a is equal to sine square a, sine square a. Clear? So now here is a sine a and this is a sine square a. So 1 sine square a is cancelled out. So you can write like this, sine a by sine square a into 1 minus cos a. We can write like this, sine a by sine square a and into 1 minus cos a. We can write like this, or you can do sine into 1, sine a minus sine a into cos a, because the question demand is like this. No need to do sine a by sine square a, and here sine square a. Now you have sine a by sine square a minus sine a into cos a by sine square a. Okay, so here sine a and 1 sine square a cancel, so you have only 1 by sine a, minus here sine a and 1 sine a cancel, so you have only 1 sine a, sine square a. So sine square a, sine a cancel, the 1 sine a is remaining there, so that is cos a by sine a. Now you can easily understand 1 by sine a is cosec a and cos a by sine a is cot a. So according to demand, what we have to prove, we can go like this. We can change here sine a by sine square a into 1 minus cos a, but if you do like this, we cannot get the RHS. That's why we change. Okay, so that's all for today video. In my next video, I complete my next remaining questions.